so let's try it on. Again, let me show you guys my hair. I've already slicked it down and everything, so we're not going to have to worry about that. But I am most likely going to have to pull the unit much further up than I usually do with my curlier textures, because this is a straighter texture, and as you all can see, my hair is not straight. Yeah, so I'm probably going to have to put it about right here so that it works for me. I'm going to pull the hair up in the back. I do typically use the comb in the back just to make sure that it's flush to my head, especially when I'm doing updo styles. That really helps. This unit fits so well on my head. And that's cute. And just like that, guys, we have hair. Of course I have hair, guys, but we have a straighter texture, and I didn't have to straighten my hair or anything. I didn't have to go to the salon and get a silk press. We got that straight, silky hair. Y'all, look at how nice this texture looks. And I don't have to curl it or anything. I was uncertain as to whether I was gonna have to bump it or do some loose curls in it, but I really like how the body wave texture looks right out of the package. So we don't have to do anything. Nothing. Now, if you wanted to, you could curl it, but I'm not going to do that because I like it the way that it is. So right now, I'm going to try on the headbands that they sent, show you guys what they look like. I do actually prefer a wider headband, but as I shared in my previous tutorial, if you're using a headband that is on the narrow side, all you have to do is take the band that's already on the unit and fold it under. This is going to make it look skinnier, and you're going to be able to conceal it so much better.
Ryan Little.
Y'all, this unit is literally a no work needed unit. Like, look how quick we were able to slay and not have to do a whole lot of work. If your edges are already done, you pretty much just have to put the unit on, find a nice headband to go with it, and you're out the door in no time. There's no lace, no glue, no gel, nothing that you have to worry about with installing these headband wigs. They are my favorite. I just love these. And you can get a straighter texture in no time without having to damage your own natural hair. And y'all, I did get this unit in length 20, and I also got it in 150% density, and it is true in density. I do like this density and length a great deal because I do feel like it gives it a really natural look. Y'all, I'm really feeling this cheetah print headband with this red lip and my top. It looks really good. I really don't even want to take it off and try the others on, but let me try those on just to show you guys. And I believe they do provide free headbands with your unit. And this unit does come in a range of different lengths. You can get it in length 12 all the way to length 26. So that's awesome. I didn't go as long this time with this texture, but I'm really feeling this length. So this is the head wrap that I was referring to. This one has this beautiful print. I have a matching dress and also a matching mask to go with this one. It's from Dianu and it's so beautiful. I feel like it would look good with this unit. Let's try that out. And I think I'm gonna take the bottom of it and just kind of put it off to the side. So I'm gonna take a clip and just clip it off to the side. Why so many tears? You've been there for me, I've been there for you. Oh, that's so nice. I like that. Look in the mirror and think this through. That looks really good. And pretty as you. I never could leave, you gotta believe. But you think my heart's
not fair. 'Cause it's been a while. You keep telling me it's been a while. Let me tell you something. Yes, I know we've been together for so long. You think that I can't see? After these years, you're still pretty, pretty. Truth be told, we grown stronger. See, I need your love, so don't worry about me. 'Cause I still think you're perfect, perfect. Pretty, 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 pretty. Every morning you're next to me. Why do you worry? Just go back to sleep. I know you love me, you know I love you. Oh, think of the moments of me and you. Our love is stronger for what we.
You don't even have to do anything else. Like, this is just adorable. I love this so much. I do want to do a high ponytail, and I feel like this is going to be too overwhelming for that style. So I'm going to tuck this flap as well.
Baby, 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 you driving me wild, you driving me so crazy. Got me acting out, got me trying to stay sober. Wanted your love and I'm out here hungover. You made me wanna take you to London, Paris. Times we'll cherish. No comparing to you. Don't need Keisha, Karen, don't want Megan, Sharon. Girl, I swear that it ain't fair. It ain't fair that all the girls, they got nothing on you.
Alright, y'all, that's the end of this video. I was able to show you all some really simple and easy styles with a body wave texture, which is a little different from what I've tried so far. And it looked really great with this head wrap. I love that for me.